Hey my friends, everyone. Welcome back to Crypto Owl Predictor, your primary destination for deep dive technical analysis and AI-driven market forecasts. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at a project that has completely redefined what it means to be a community-driven asset. While most projects struggle to maintain interest, this one has built a culture so strong it's being called the leveraged ADA and the heartbeat of the Cardano ecosystem. Stick around until the very end, because our AI models have just finished processing the latest 2026 data, including the massive Snek ecosystem fund launch and the new burn and buyback protocols, and we've identified an explosive price target for this coin during this bull run. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to support the channel and stay updated on every major AI signal. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before making any decisions in the crypto market. The culture shift. Why Snek is different in the world of 2026. The market has moved beyond simple hype. Investors are looking for projects with high liquidity, a clean distribution, and a community that acts as a decentralized marketing machine. This is exactly why Snek has risen to the top of the leaderboard. Snek isn't just a meme. It's a social experiment that succeeded. Launched on Cardano with zero team allocation and no venture capital dumping on retail, it became a symbol of fairness in a space often filled with insiders. In early 2026, the data shows that Snek has successfully transitioned from a fun token to a serious ecosystem player, bridging the gap between social entertainment and decentralized finance. What is Snek? The king of Cardano memes, Snek is the most popular community token on the Cardano blockchain. It was designed to be the chillest coin in crypto, focusing on fun, accessibility, and high unit bias to attract the next wave of retail users. The pillars of the 2026 strategy: the Snek Ecosystem Fund, a massive 2026 milestone. The project has launched a community-managed fund designed to invest in and accelerate startups building specifically on Cardano. This shifts Snek from being a token to being a venture builder. Smart burn mechanisms. Using trading royalties and platform fees, the protocol automatically executes buybacks and burns. This reduces the total supply over time, making every remaining token more scarce as the network grows. MinSwap dominance. Snek has officially become the top paired asset on MinSwap, Cardano's largest decentralized exchange. Its partnership with protocols like Knight has boosted its liquidity to institutional levels. Global accessibility. In early 2026, Snek secured major Tier 1 exchange listings, moving from a niche Cardano asset to a globally traded currency available to millions of new traders. 2026 breakthroughs. From memes to markets, what has our AI models so excited in February 2026 is the sheer resilience of the Snek Pit community during market shifts. The leveraged ADA narrative. Because Snek is the primary liquidity driver on Cardano, it often moves with a multiplier effect compared to ADA. When Cardano's ecosystem grows, Snek tends to lead the charge with even higher velocity. Snek Game and Media. The project has successfully launched a suite of casual play-to-earn games and a media brand that has viral reach on social platforms. This creates attention liquidity that doesn't rely purely on market charts. DAO maturity. The Snek Pit DAO is now one of the most active governance bodies in the space. In 2026, holders aren't just waiting for price action. They are actively voting on the next multi-million unit treasury deployments. The Snek token. Deflationary and distributed. The Snek token is built on Cardano's EUTXO model, meaning it enjoys the same world-class security and low fees as the main network. In 2026, its tokenomics are a masterclass in community alignment. Zero inflation. All tokens are already in circulation. There are no future unlocks for team members or early seed investors that could surprise the market. The burn engine. With every ecosystem partnership and game transaction, Snek tokens are permanently removed from the supply. Our AI has tracked a significant increase in the burn rate since the start of 2026. Real utility. Snek is now used as a primary currency for the Snek merch store, game entries, and as collateral in various Cardano-based lending protocols. Community rewards. Active participants in the Snek pit earn rewards through the staking-as-a-service model, allowing long-term holders to grow their bags while the network expands. The AI prediction, targeting 0.01 US now. Let's dive into the data our AI models have been crunching. We've analyzed the 300% increase in active wallet addresses this quarter and the successful expansion into the Asian markets through new strategic partnerships. Our models look at the unit bias effect. In a 2026 bull run, retail investors are psychologically drawn to coins where they can hold millions of units for a relatively low cost. As Snek continues to burn supply and increase its real-world utility through the ecosystem fund, the path to a 1 cent valuation becomes mathematically clearer. The AI prediction, based on the current burn rate and the projected liquidity inflows from the 2026 Tier 1 exchange expansion, our AI predicts that Snek could reach a target of 0.01 US during this bull run. Why 0.01 US is the ultimate milestone to reach 0.01 US. Snek would be achieving its long-held community goal of the penny. In 2026, with 75 billion tokens in circulation, this would place Snek among the top-tier meme legends of the industry. Considering it has already outperformed many of its rivals in terms of holder retention and organic growth, this target is considered the high-probability destination for this cycle. At this price point, Snek would be recognized not just as a meme, but as the premier cultural and infrastructure asset of the Cardano ecosystem, a target that reflects years of consistent building. Final thoughts. Join the Snek pit. Snek is proving that a fair launch and a dedicated community can beat even the most well-funded VC projects. By focusing on fun and fairness while building actual utility, they have created a blueprint for the next generation of digital assets. Keep a close eye on the Snek ecosystem fund announcements and the monthly burn reports throughout 2026. The trend is clear. The Snek is moving, and it's moving fast. Thank you for tuning into Crypto Owl Predictor. We appreciate your support as we continue to track the most viral and community-driven assets in the space.